OTMers, welcome back to OTM Cloud Reviews, the podcast where we break down the latest and greatest in the world of Oracle logistics technology. As you know, Oracle has just announced about 25A release. It will be rolled out soon to all the customers. Let us dive deep into some exciting new features.
That's right, Ashok. Oracle has been busy rolling out features designed to improve user experience, boost efficiency, and give companies more control over their logistics operations.
So let's get started with a feature that caught my attention: configuration and administration of qualifiers. This redesigned UI simplifies the way users interact with remark qualifiers and their attributes.
Absolutely. This is a huge improvement for anyone who works with qualifiers regularly. The new UI ditches the old finder and finder result pattern for a more intuitive system where all results are displayed initially, allowing for easy filtering. As you can see in this picture, in one screen, you can view all the values, select the ID to be edited. You don't even have to shift to various screens.
Sounds much more user friendly. Speaking of user friendly, there's another update aimed at improving the performance: drop list limits. This feature introduces guardrails to prevent the drop down list from becoming overloaded with data. You know what? I've been waiting for this feature for long.
Absolutely, Ashok. That's right. Even I've been waiting for that. And to talk about it, it will improve the performance caused by massive drop-down lists, which was a real headache. This new feature allows admins to set limits on the number of records loaded, ensuring smooth operations even with large data sets.
Let us shift our gates and talk about sustainability in logistics arena. Sustainability is a big buzzword nowadays in the logistics field. Oracle has introduced emission calculation rules, a comprehensive tool for calculating and reporting the CO2 emissions throughout the shipment lifecycle.
Indeed, this is a game changer for companies looking to measure and reduce the environmental impact. The tool is incredibly detailed, allowing users to define emission rules, formulas, and even factor in variables like fuel type and vehicle conditions.
Big thing, it even integrates with the bulk planning and operational intelligence, giving a holistic view of emissions across the entire operation. Oracle also added a dedicated section in the online help to guide users through configuration and usage of this feature.
Yep, and it's not just about environmental responsibility. With increasing regulations and customer demand for sustainable practices, accurate emission reporting is becoming a business necessity.
Definitely. Now, moving on to a feature that will appeal to our more visually oriented listeners: group label enhancements. This update revamps the way group labels are displayed in tables.
Instead of the repetitive, space consuming labels we are used to, this feature introduces a sticky note kind of a single row display that stays fixed at the top of the table as you scroll.
This makes reviewing large data sets with multiple groupings much easier on the eyes, and the improved shading helps distinguish between group rows and detail rows.
Look at this screen. It's a small change with a big impact on readability and user experience. And finally, for our GTM users, Oracle has released an update to how the child line quantity and values are calculated.
You know what? This feature previously was an optional feature. Now it is controlled by a specific glog property called calculate child line quantity, giving users more control over their calculations.
Yes. The second update is an RPLS enhancement. This new property can improve the performance of the restricted party screening in a bulk process. If the admins can set a property called as suppress lifetime events after screening um, to the value as true, It will suppress lifetime events when the screening process is triggered.
Flexibility and control seem to be the recurring themes in this release, and that's a great news for OTM users.
There is another great feature for customers dealing with parcels, out of the box connectivity to FedEx rates and transit time.
Yes, Ananth. As part of Oracle Business Network, Oracle is delivering connectivity to trading partner community. Just to simplify, now you can directly fetch the FedEx rates and transit times without building an interface. Isn't that great? You will see such partners onboarding to OBN more often from now on.
Absolutely right. These updates demonstrate Oracle's commitment to delivering a powerful and user-friendly TMS solution. We are also excited to see what they have, coming up next and what they have in store for us.
Thanks for joining us today to OTM Cloud Reviews of version 25A. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more insights into the ever evolving world of transportation technology.